This is the delivery of the MAX 30102 module. This is pulse oximeter module. Hi friends, welcome again. In this episode, we are trying to understand working principle of pulse oximeter. Let's open this box first. I bought it from RoboKids India online site. Delivery is relatively quick, so I am happy. This module is the product of Maxim company. Let's see first how it is look like. Max 30102 is upgraded version of Max 30100. This module is working on I2C protocol. Packaging and delivery overall is good. First we built very simple circuit and test it on Arduino IDE's serial monitor. We got these two things, header pins and this module. We are using PCF8574 to remove the headache of complex wiring setup, which is also based on I2C protocol. Just because we are using same SDA and SCL line, our circuit setup is becoming very simple. Device address for this module is hex27. This is actually extension for general purpose input and output pins. Simple circuit where we have mounted this module Max 30102 on the breadboard, and only two wire we have used, that A0 and A5 of Arduino, connected to this SDL and SCL line of this module. This line we have pull up with the help of 4.7K resistor. We have connected ground to Arduino ground and VCC to 5 volt of Arduino 5 volt. This Max 30102 has several registers inside with their unique addresses. For example, FIFO configuration, mode configuration, SPO2 configuration, etc. etc. This is the program which gives us the device address. This address we can see on the serial monitor of Arduino IDE. In our case, the device address is hex57. Our I2C LCD module device address is hex27. I have included SparkFun Max 30105 library here. Loading the example code for reading the SPO2 to the Arduino. Here we have to select baud rate 115200. When we will place our finger on infrared sensor, we will get the data on serial monitor. After placing the finger, the result is somewhat like this. We can see heart rate as well as SPO2 value. We are getting a good number over here, so we can say that this module is working properly. This is very simple and easy setup. Max 30102 is based on ADC circuitry. This analog to digital conversion is of 18-bit resolution. There inside a FIFO register, FIFO data register, where sample collected and stored. Collected sample length is 6 bytes and maximum capacity to store the data is total 192 bytes of this FIFO data register. SPO2 sample rate can be controlled from 50 to 30 to 100. This can be done with the help of SPO2 SR bits. LED pulse width can be controlled with the help of LED PW bits. The range is from 69 to 411. When pulse width is of 69 microsecond, then the resolution of ADC is of 15 bits. And when pulse width is of 411 microseconds, ADC resolution is of 18 bits. IR LED and red LED are two sensors which are giving analog value to ADC. ADC convert these analog values into digital samples. These digital samples stored in first out data register. Let us give the power supply to the Arduino. There is a message on LED display that ungli rakh SPO2 dekh. When we will place our finger on the sensor, we can see the result on LCD display. This is the introductory episode, so we will get only limited idea of working of MAX 30102 module. In next episode we will go into detail working principle of MAX 30102. After placing the finger we are getting 98% SPO2 level. It means it is the normal condition. This is another simple setup with the OLED display SSD 1306. We will go deep and get proper idea about this all in next coming episode. Thanks for watching.